Gila.
For that, what was covered by the
Gila.
1900. First, before you do anything else, you must not forget to do the stretching.
Gila.
That will acquire the safety.
Grabe din. Paano naman? Gila. Yeah. Budlay ba? Paano naman?
The ball with your waist. The purpose of this is to button up your hand.
Well, tudloy ko na biwan. Paano naman?
I'll show you how to stop the ball by doing your back. This is down like this. You must stop the ball as fast as you can.
Sabi mo?
Wow!
Wow, paano na?
This is to button up your wrist.
Fingers.
And second is the to improve your ball control, move the ball.
Gila, diba?
Move the ball.
Sabi kaya dunk. May paano mag-dunk?
You can translate. I will show you how to take a swing. Show you how to take the ball onto your body. Just using again that tapping is the field. Move only your wrist when tapping the ball. And our fingers is responsible, a lot responsible for the control. So that means you move the ball over your body like this. Kasi ball, then ako na the ball.
Kwarta mo?
Tubag ito? Ang classmate, the last thing that you should do to improve your thinking is you must learn how to protect the ball in your body. Bend your knees forward, arms down. The purpose of this is that when the defender
Gila.
attempts to steal the ball, you put chop.
Chobisan.
For accuracy, and so that it will be difficult for the defender to steal the ball.
Walaan mo gid buhaya.
Bend your knees forward, legs to
Walaan
and
mo gid buhaya. Buhaya.
dapat I will show you how to do the pivot or
Mila.
the rotate.
Rotate,
Just for you could do this some pointers doing this.
Like you, Art.
To prevent the defender from stealing the ball.
Versatile
So
ba?
you should make yourself like this.
Gila. Grabe ba? Autography?
Wait, now I will show you how to move the ball between your legs.
Gila. Gila. Ang magla.
Now I show you some application of how you of the benefits on if you have good one hand. You can do exercises like this.
Gila.
Example of it is the cover mo.
Gila. Gila. Woo! Grabe ba?
This is big mark. I wish I could help you on your ball.
I